Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best HP G6 battery is probably one of the most crucial components for keeping your HP Pavilion G6 laptop powered up and running smoothly, especially if you're on the go or experiencing issues with your current power source. Finding the right replacement battery can significantly extend your laptop's usability, allowing you to work, play, and stay connected without being tethered to a wall outlet. This video will guide you through selecting the optimal battery to ensure compatibility, longevity, and reliable performance for your specific HP Pavilion G6 model, making sure you get the most out of your device. Number 5. TREE.NB Replacement Battery for HP MU06MU09. Ensure your HP laptop stays powered with this high-quality replacement battery. It's designed to be a perfect fit for a range of compatible models. This battery is a direct replacement for HP spare part numbers like 593553-001 and MU06. You can trust it to integrate smoothly with your device. Worried about compatibility? We provide a clear size diagram to help you confirm it matches your original battery's dimensions before you buy. It's compatible with numerous HP Pavilion, Presario, and Compact series, including models like G4, G6, G7, DM4, and DV series. Get a brand new battery directly from the manufacturer, ensuring you receive a reliable and efficient power source for your laptop. Please note that this battery is not compatible with certain series such as DV4, CQ40, and CQ60. Always verify your model and the battery's appearance. What we like. This battery offers extensive compatibility with a wide range of HP models, making it a versatile choice. It comes directly from the manufacturer, ensuring quality and reliability. If you're looking for a battery with clear compatibility guidance and direct sourcing, this is a great option. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over 5 hours on a single charge. The battery fits perfectly into my HP Pavilion G6 laptop and was easy to install. It charges quickly and holds a charge for a long time, which is exactly what I needed. Number 4. NinjaBatt 593553-001 Replacement Laptop Battery. Is your laptop running out of power too quickly? Bring it back to life with our high-quality replacement battery, crafted with premium materials and advanced safety features. Experience reliable performance with our battery's true charging capacity. It's designed to meet OEM specifications, ensuring you and your laptop won't be let down. This battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of HP and compact laptop models. Check our list to ensure a perfect fit for your device. Don't compromise on safety. Our batteries are certified and equipped with multiple protections against short circuits, overheating, and overloads. Assembled with top-grade components and battery cells, this replacement offers durability and performance. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This battery is built with premium quality cells and guarantees true charging capacity, ensuring your laptop stays powered for longer. It also comes with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. If you prioritize long-lasting performance and reliable support, this is the battery for you. What people say. The battery has a good capacity and lasts for a decent amount of time on a single charge. It fits perfectly into the HP Pavilion G6 laptop and is easy to install. The battery charges quickly and holds its charge well, providing reliable power for extended use. Number 3. HP Laptop Battery MU06MU09. Introducing a premium replacement battery designed for your HP laptop. It features a 6-cell, 5,200 mAh capacity and operates at 11.1 V. This battery is built with your safety in mind, offering overcurrent, anti-overcharge, anti-overdischarge, and temperature control functions for reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of HP Pavilion and compact Presario models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. This battery directly replaces several HP part numbers, including MU06, MU09, 593553-001, and HSTNN Q62C, making replacement simple. Enjoy extended usage time with this durable and efficient battery, designed to bring your laptop back to life. It is suitable for various HP series such as G4, G6, G7, DM4, DV3, DV5, DV6, DV7, and CQ series laptops. What we like. This battery is designed for durability with built-in safety features like overcurrent and overcharge protection. It also boasts compatibility with a vast list of HP part numbers, ensuring a good fit. If you need a robust and safe battery with broad compatibility, consider this option. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for the HP Pavilion G6 laptop and provides excellent performance. This battery has a long-lasting charge, allowing for extended use of the laptop without needing to plug it in. The battery was easy to install and immediately recognized by the laptop, restoring full functionality. Number 2. NinjaBatt Pro Elite Laptop Battery. NinjaBatt is excited to introduce its new line of elite laptop batteries, the NinjaBatt Pro. These replacement batteries are designed to bring your laptop back to life. Forget about low-cost alternatives. Our new 4-cell Li-ion battery is built to last with premium cells and a smart control chip, ensuring superior performance and longevity. This battery is compatible with a wide range of HP laptop models, including the 250 G6 and 255 G6 series, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Your safety is our priority. Our batteries are equipped with overheat, short circuit, and overload protections, certified to meet the highest safety standards. We're so confident in our product that we offer a 12-month warranty. If anything goes wrong, we'll replace it or refund your purchase. What we like. This battery is engineered for longevity, offering over 1,000 charge cycles thanks to its premium cells and smart control chip. It adheres to high safety standards, providing reliable and secure power. If you're looking for a battery that will last and perform consistently, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The battery has a good capacity and lasts for a decent amount of time on a single charge. It fits perfectly into the laptop and is easy to install. The battery charges quickly and holds its charge well. Number 1. Fancy buying MU06-MU09 laptop battery for HP. Introducing a durable and reliable replacement battery for your HP laptop. It features a 5,200 mAh capacity and 6-cell design, ensuring long-lasting power. This battery is equipped with advanced protection functions, including overcurrent, overcharge, overdischarge, and temperature control, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Designed to be compatible with a wide range of HP laptop models, including Presario CQ42, CQ56, CQ57, CQ62, and Pavilion G7, G6, G4, DM4 series. Constructed with top-quality materials and circuit boards, it offers fast charging, low power consumption, and up to 500 recharge cycles. Enjoy a full refund within 30 days and a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. We provide friendly after-sales service for any issues. Easily find your compatible laptop model or part number by using the Ctrl+F function on your keyboard. What we like. This battery ensures fast charges and low power consumption, optimizing your laptop's efficiency. It's built with top-quality materials and offers a 30-day refund policy for risk-free purchase. If you value quick charging and energy efficiency, this battery is a solid pick. What people say. The battery is compatible with the HP Pavilion G6 laptop and provides good performance. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Easy to install and recognized by the laptop without any issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.